G'day kids and grown-ups. If you are loving watching and learning with Ozzie's videos, it would be amazing if you could please do me just a little favour and tell anybody else that you think might enjoy them too. In the meantime, check out our YouTube channel for plenty of other educational and entertaining videos. Until then, stay keen.
Ozzie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of mine.
G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day.
G'day kids, Ozzie here. We've got another great book today on story time with Ozzie. Now, do you like cricket? Ozzie doesn't like cricket. No, he loves it. That's right, this book is called Cricket. I just love it. It's by Alister Nicholson and illustrated by Tom Gillette. Let's get inside and see what it's about. Cricket. I just love it. It really is the best. Batting, bowling, fielding, 2020 or a test. I watch it or I listen, and of course I always play. Cricket is my favourite part of every single day. Look at this little boy. He just loves cricket, doesn't he? Cricket. I adore it. And so do all my friends. We play before and after school, at lunch and on weekends. There's automatic wicky, but we never give LB, leg before. You can't get out first ball, of course not. And that's just fine by me. Cricket. I can wear it. The gear, I've got it all. My helmet, my thigh guard, pads and gloves protect me from the ball. A box goes in my undies or Mum won't let me play. She hasn't told me why just yet, but promised to one day. Cricket. Let me at it. I'll knock the stumps down flat. Then I'll field at fine leg in my floppy, broad-brimmed hat. Where's fine leg? Can someone help me? There he is, fine leg, all the way back there. There's long on, point, mid-wicket too. I've even been a sweeper. Cow corners near the boundary, slip and gully by the keeper. That's all the names of the different positions on the field. Look. Cow corner. Cow doesn't play cricket, does it? No, that's the name of the position. Cricket. I perfect it. Every shot that's in the book. Drives and cuts, ramps and sweeps. I even play the hook. My dog will race to fetch the ball and mostly brings it back. And then I'll slog another one. Crack! It's a good feeling when you hit the ball hard, isn't it, when you're playing cricket? I think this one might be going too far. Cricket. I research it. There's so much you can learn, like how to face the spinners and judge the bounce or turn. My footwork is a focus as I move to meet the ball. I practice in the backyard. I practice in the hall. Cricket. I respect it. It's a risky inside game. I may have broken windows and there was that picture frame. Uh-oh. Gotta be careful when you're playing cricket inside, don't you? But with epic classic catches, I've saved a vase or two. Yet Mum and Dad still banned me. My indoor days are through. Probably better to play cricket outside, isn't it? Cricket. I can feel it, smearing zinc across my cheek. I emulate Meg Lanning and her elegant technique. I channel Perfect Perry, Australia's gun all-rounder. Or I hammer them like Healy, our pummeler and pounder. Some of Australia's best female cricketers. I absolutely love watching them play. Do you? Cricket. I consume it, especially all the stories of tons, tied tests and hat-tricks, red and white ball glories. of legends like Don Bradman, Lily Ponting Warne, the greats who vowed adoring crowds before I was born. Cricket. I work at it. Throwing, catching in the field. I dream of playing for my state in the Sheffield Shield. Wouldn't that be good? The precious baggy green is the pride of all our nation. A sacred, sweat-soaked cap, a source of inspiration. Cricket, dreaming of it. It'd make my heart a flutter to play a test in Sydney, Eden Gardens in Kolkata, to gaze at Table Mountain or in the forts surrounding Gaul. I long for Lords in London, most famous of them all. Cricket, you should try it. You can play it everywhere. The nets, backyard or driveway, the beach when you go there. There's cricket at the park in summer after tea. And one day, you might even score 100 at the G. The MCG, famous cricket ground in Melbourne and here in Australia. Imagine hitting 100 runs down there. How good would that be? Cricket, we just love it. A great game for us all. Girls and boys, the young and old, the big and very small. On wheels, bare feet, and 4 legs too, no matter what your style. Get out, enjoy some cricket. It's sure to make you smile. Yep, what a cool book. Just tells you all the fun things about playing cricket. Do you love playing cricket? In the backyard, at the beach, at the park, maybe even at the G. Hey, if you dream big enough and if you have something like that you want to do and you stay keen, who knows, you might end up there. Kids, I hope you enjoyed this book. I hope you feel inspired. We'll see you on our next awesome book at Storytime with Ozzie. Until then, stay keen. G'day kids, Ozzie here. So we've learned lots of things about cricket. Now we're going to read a really cool book about cricket, but it's not just about cricket. It's super awesome because it's about dinosaurs as well. And it's called Over is Out. Over is Out. And it's by Lachlan and Sarah Cray. You hit the ball over the fence. You know what that means. Over is out. Now you'll have to go get it. And I remember when I used to play backyard cricket when I was a little boy, one of the main rules is if you hit the ball over the fence, you had to go get it and you're out. I hope the neighbours don't catch you. They're really tough. I'll get it. It's on top of the big one. No, I can't see it. Keep looking, you'll find it. Look, he's on top of the neighbour, a big blue dinosaur. Do you know what type of dinosaur that is? Maybe it's under the spiky one. No, it's not here. Keep looking, you'll find it. What kind of dinosaur is that? The spiky one. The Stegosaurus. Good job, kids. Is it behind the bumpy one? No, it's not back here. Keep looking, you'll find it. I'm not quite sure what that dinosaur is. Can you help Ozzie out? Is it between the horned ones? No, it's not anywhere. Keep looking, you'll find it. Now, 3 horns on a dinosaur. What kind of dinosaurs are they? Triceratops, that's right. There it is, on the sleepy one's nose. I've got it. Uh-oh, I think they woke the sleepy one up. And what kind of dinosaur is the sleepy one? He's got short arms and big sharp teeth. Is he a T-Rex? I wouldn't want to wake up a T-Rex. He's waking up. Quick, get back over the fence. You'll make it. Look, he's running super fast, and the T-Rex, oh, he looks a bit scary. Oh, he's run so fast, he's dropped his bat. Hurry, he's between the horned ones. Keep going, you'll make it. Look, I think T-Rex has picked up the bat. Don't stop, he's behind the bumpy one. Keep going, you'll make it. Look out, he's under the spiky one. Keep going, you'll make it. Run fast. He's on top of the big one. Keep going, you're nearly there. Look, he has. He's got our bat. I think he wants to play. Deadly. Come on over. So the boys, they thought the T-Rex was chasing them because he's big and scary, but he just wanted to have a play. He wanted to come over and play backyard cricket. And so he comes over and T-Rex has had a bowl. Oh no, not the other neighbours. Look, little boy's hit it over the fence, which means over is out and he has to go and get it. And look at who the other neighbours are. Monsters and robots and aliens. And over is out. So he has to go and get the ball, doesn't he? And then T-Rex has a bat. And he's bowled him out. And look who's the wicket keeper. One of the aliens or the monsters from next door. So all the neighbours are playing backyard cricket together. How much fun is that? Wow, what a cool book. Monsters, aliens, dinosaurs, and cricket. That was super fun. I hope you really enjoyed it. Kids, we'll see you on our next video. And until then, stay keen. Hey kids, did you have lots of fun today watching Ozzie? I hope so. Did you know that we've got a heap of Ozzie episodes on our YouTube channel? If you haven't already, go back and have a scroll through. I reckon you'll find some others that you absolutely love. And while you're there, why don't you hit subscribe? That way you won't miss out on any of our new videos that we bring out. We'll see you again soon, kids. Until then, stay keen. Oh, and by the way, did you happen to find the hidden Ozzie icon in that video? Yeah, make sure you look closely because they're in every single video. That's right. Stay keen, kids.
Ozzie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of